Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. Well, in today's video guys, I'm going to show you the ways in which you can check the trends or in which you can keep in contact with the trends for your Redbubble shop or for your own print-on-demand business. Now, there are many ways in which you can go and check the trends and you can make those designs and can get sales for it. There are many ways in which you can check the trends, but I'm going to show you some of the ways in which you can check the trends for your own print-on-demand business, for your Redbubble shop. So if you're interested in that, let's get started with that. And before going into the good part, guys, you know what you need. And also before going on to the main part, guys, I want to tell you that I have made a bundle, a complete free bundle that is 49 free graphics for you to download right now, and you can use these graphics completely for free for making your own print-on-demand designs. The link of this free graphic bundle is in description box below. Click on that link and download the 49 freebies, the 49 free graphics that you can use right now for making your own print-on-demand designs. To do, click on the like button. I would really appreciate that. And now let's hop on to my laptop and I'm going to show you the ways in which you can check the trends for your own print-on-demand shop. So let's get started with my laptop. We are currently on a laptop and I'm going to talk about the 3 ways in which you can see, or in which you can follow the trends for your print-on-demand websites, for your own print-on-demand shop. So these are the 3 ways which I tend to use most often for checking the trends for various different print-on-demand platforms out there, print-on-demand websites. Although there are many different ways in which you can go through this, there are many different tools and platforms out there in which you can check the trends for your print-on-demand shop and all that. But these are the 3 tools or 3 websites that I use for checking the trends. So the first website is the Etsy.com. Now Etsy, it's really amazing for checking the print-on-demand trends. How you can go by that? Just go into the search bar and type the t-shirts and just press enter. Okay guys, now you can see, just leave the first section because this is the ads. So we're just gonna leave the ads and we just scroll down and see the trends. The results that we are showing, top listings that you can see on the Etsy are most of the trending that are currently trending right now. So this is the one way I do my research about the trends, and also I do research about my niches by designs, which designs are selling, for especially for the Redbubble, for the Teepublic, for various print-on-demand platform, because Etsy is another amazing marketplace out there after Amazon and also those big platforms. So I can just go over there and can see what are the different t-shirts that are currently there on the platform that are on the trends. So we can see that the listings that are currently shown on the first page of their t-shirts are the things that are currently most trending, and people are more into buying these type of design. So this is the one of the method to see the trending design. You can just go through that various different types of patterns that are currently there on the first page, because these are the patterns, these are the designs that people are actually buying right now. So that's why they are onto the first page of the Etsy. You can also go to the second page and can see whatever design you want to go for. Like this one is the most trending one. This is the I survived COVID-19. If you want to make something related to that, you can also go for that. So this is the way to look for the trending design by going to the Etsy. You can go for the second, third pages as well, and can check for the what are the trending on the Etsy and all that. Now I'm going to show you another tool which is also amazing, where you can go and check for your trends. This is the most, I think most of the people have been talking about a lot of these one platform or one tool out there, that is the Bubble Trends, on which you can go out and can see for the current trending topics on the Redbubble. This is one of the most common website. Many people are familiar with that and many people are using it. So you can check for the trending designs like Are You Kidding Me right now, and can see the results as well, how many search volume they have on the Redbubble right now. And you can even go onto the Redbubble and can type for the same keyword and can see how many search results they have for this particular keyword or this particular niche on their platform. So this is the second way to go for the trending niches. But again guys, you need to just check whether these trending niches that are there popular right now on the Redbubble are copyright free or not, or trademark free or not, because many of them are trademark, and I'm also not really sure which of them are, which of them are not. So you need to do your research about whether it's a copyright or not. But yeah, guys, it's an amazing tool. They keep on updating their tool, I guess, daily. You can just go onto this and can see the various different types of trends, and can also see the what are the search results right now onto the Redbubble, and you can also go onto the Redbubble and can see for this particular keywords, niches and all that, and can go for that particular trending stuffs and all that. So you can do your research, guys. This is an also amazing tool. Now I'm going to talk about the third tool, which is really amazing, guys, which is really mind blowing, and it was much more precise than these two, which is much more precise than Etsy and Bubble Trends, which is really amazing for checking the trends and for also checking various different things. So this one tool is Merch Informer, which is really awesome, guys. Now they have so many different things on their platform. They have the Merch Hunter, they have the Keywords Finder, the trademarks. You can also go on check for the trademarks if you want to go checking for the trademarks, whether you are using the trademark free designs or not. You can also go that, you can track the merch, you can track the competitors as well and all that. So I'm just going to go over to the Merch Hunter. This is a merch hunter. You can go for the movers and shakers or trend tracker, whatever one you want to go with that. And I'm here, I'm just gonna select the time schedule. That is, I'm just gonna want for the 1 month. Then the average bestseller rank is 20 to 100,000. Then you want to check what types of trends, whether you want to check the shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, pop sockets, v-neck, tank top, whatever. And I think I'll go with the, wait a minute, I'll just go with the merch by Amazon shirts. Then you can also choose the marketplaces like the UK. I think this is the Denmark, and the US. You can check these marketplaces as well, and then click on the search. This is the more precise way to check the trends, especially for the merch by Amazon. And you can use these same trends and can make on the Redbubble as well, on the Teepublic as well. So this is really an awesome tool, guys. You can also check for the trademark, because it's really hard to know whether a particular design or niche is copyright free or trademark free or not. So that's why it's really essential for you to actually go into that and check for this particular platform. Now, guys, you can see these are the trending right now onto the merch by Amazon or the Amazon itself, and you can also use it for your Redbubble as well, for your Teepublic as well, and make sure you go through their trademark to check their trademark and all that. Now, chucks and pearls, guys, this was the one of the trending right now, was there on the trending on same on the Redbubble also, because I have already made a video talking about top 3 trends for the Redbubble, and I have mentioned one of them as the chucks and pearls. So you can see it's trending right now. You can see their sales rank, their prices, and you can do your research according to it, like their SIN number, their product reviews, and also their title, their merchants, and their everything they have on. You can check for the trending. So these are the some types of trending. That is a chucks and pearls is trending right now. Eagle Fang Karate. This is also I mentioned in my video before that. I guess I remember that it was a trending shorts video. I mentioned about it. Now just scroll down, see some other trends. This is a Team Godzilla. Just scroll down a bit, let me see some other trending. Excuse me, I am speaking again. This is the chucks and pearls. So chucks and pearls is trending right now. You can see very well, guys. You can read the title, description. You can also go on to the Amazon itself and can use the ASN and check for this specific product on the Amazon. So they have the sales rank, how it's going right now, and Biden Harris. So you can see that this is a sales rank like they were having it. The peak was there on the January 20th, then it was again down January 21, then 22, then it's again taking peak, and then again it's going down. So you can see this kind of like a variation when we are following the trends. This kind of variation you tend to see most of the times, guys, especially if you're going for the trends. If you're making designs particularly in the trends, then you're going to see that at one particular time, maybe a week or maybe a month, your designs would be having so many high search volume, and then there would be again good peak, because trends are like that only. They are there for some particular time in a week or in a month or whatever it is. So trends are not evergreen, but if you want to go target the trends, then this tool is exactly really amazing, guys. I guess they have the free trial and they have the paid trial. No, guys, they have the free trial, and if you want to purchase that, then they have the paid option as well. So I'm just going to go over to that as well to let you know, guys, what are the payment sections so that you can also use that. Now, this is the MTV. Again, they have the Cleveland Bakers 2021 video games. So these are the things that you can see that their bestsellers rank. Again, it's something different. Let me just scroll down. Rolling Eyes, Steel Hearts, No Filter, Danger. So this is the cat eating the noodles. You can see the sales rank that it was their peak, then go down, then like this, then this. So this is the kind of like a variation, and they have the same price for all these days. So they have comparison from 14 January to 26 January. So it's like more than a week. So you can go that, guys, and they have so many search results. You can go onto the second page, third page, fourth page, and you can very well go over that. Another thing I want to tell you guys is about the trademark, because trademark, we really need this trademark. So you can go into Trademark Hunter, which is really an awesome tool they have on their platform. And you can click here or drag a file to upload, one file per upload. Your entries are automatically checked once per day. You can save up to 4,000 ASN and 4,000 left. Okay, guys, so you can just upload your file over here and you can store your data, and then they're just gonna let you know about your trademark and all that. So already seen the first page. Let me just go through the second page and just gonna see the trending, what's trending right now. So this tool is really awesome, guys, because you can go and you can check their bestsellers rank, what's their price, and you can also see how their variation is, how their graph is, at what that time they have a peak and then they quite slow down, because trends are like that only. At some particular week of the month they would be quite high, and then there would be again quite deep peak and so on, guys. But if you are really want to target the trends, then this particular tool is really amazing, because they have so many things. Like, it's worth going it, because if you want to take your print on demand business to next level, then I would really recommend this tool, because it's really awesome. I do what I want. So this is also trending right now, guys. Chucks and pearls are quite trending right now. Many people have designs related to that. Daddy Shark. You can just go through these tools, guys, and you can just see what type of artwork or what type of design you want to target right now. Biden Harris, then. So there are many things, guys, you can go in right now. One thing I want to tell you guys, that this tool is you can have a free trial for few days, but if you want to go with their pricing, I'll just let you know their pricing. So if anyone is interested in purchasing this platform for doing your trending research, not just trending research, guys, they have so many things like the trending research, the keyword finder, the competitor hacker. Then you can also go with the trademark if you want to check the trademark. So they have so many different things. So their newbie plan is, guys, $9.99 billed monthly, which is really what you will be getting the startup features, then the product tracking, keyword tracking, trademark tracking. Okay, these are zero setup required and all that, guys. So they have the startup plan, that's a newbie, $9.99. If you want to go with the pro plan, then it's $59.99. Guys, this merch informer tool is really worth checking if you want to go and follow the trends and you want to take your print on demand business to next level. I highly recommend that. You can start with you can register for the free, you can go with their free trial and can see whether this tool is exactly what you want for your print on demand business or not, and then you can upgrade it to starting with the newbie plan or professional plan, whatever plan you want to go with that. And make sure you use the GLOBO ARTE at the checkout to get 20% off when you are purchasing any of these two plans, that is $9.99 or $59.99. So you'll be getting 20% off when you'll be using at the checkout the GLOBO ARTE. The link is in the description box below, guys. Make sure you click on that link and then you go over to this and just either register it for the free in the beginning and check it for the few days whether this platform is for you or not, and then upgrade it either go with the newbie plan or either going with a professional plan, and use the GLOBO ARTE at the checkout to get 20% off dollars. In just $10 you are getting so many things on their platform. So I guess and how to check for the trademark, because trademark is one of the most common problem right now we are having on the Redbubble. Many people are going for the copyright designs and the trademark designs, and then the designs are shut down, or the platform or their accounts are shut down, or their designs have been taken down and all that, and then they think that now what should we do next. So it's better you go on this platform, we check this tool out there, because they have the trademark hunter as well. You can check for the trademarks as well. You can check so many different things on this tool. So I highly recommend this tool, and the link is in the description box below. You can click on that link and make sure you use the GLOBO ARTE at the checkout to get 20% off. I hope that today's video is helpful. I talk about the 3 platforms on which you can go for checking the trends for your Redbubble, for your own print on demand shop online. I hope this video is really helpful to you. Let me So I hope you do enjoy today's video. Let me know in the comment section below how you check the trends for your own Redbubble shop or for your own print on demand shop. I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.